Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Audiomack, a global music streaming platform, has revealed its list of the top 50 albums of 2022. Selected by the curation and content team at the New York-based company, is a combination of all genres sorted alphabetically by artists. The collection included records from three Jamaicans: Jamil with his album Legend, Coffee with Gifted, and Skeng with his EP Best of the Era. Describing each, the streaming platform said that Jamil's Legend is an odyssey through influences ranging from rock to reggae and beyond. Now, regarding Coffee, who is now on tour in South and Central America, they stated that her debut EP Gifted leans into live instrumentation, positivity, and classic reggae spirit. Now, for newcomer Skeng, they added that Beast of an Era doubled down on his visions of Jamaican street life, naming him as one of the most important artists in dancehall currently. Other top-tier acts making the list that featured mainly Afrobeat stars include the Queen herself, Beyonce, Mabu Burno, The Weeknd, Wizkid, Future, Jasmine Sullivan, and Trinidad DJ Prince Wani. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.